No matter the weather, Alexandria Emergency Hospital is always here for you. Rain or shine, our doors are open 24/7 to provide the care you and your loved ones need fast. Every second counts, and Alexandria Emergency Hospital is here to help you through any storm.
In the event of a water damage emergency, call PuroClean of Cenla.
Hey, good morning, everyone. I'm very proud to say I think we've got it figured out. Hold on, I have to hit record so we can get this on there. Hey, good morning, everyone. See, now it seems like I just started that. Okay, so yeah, very proud, very happy over here. We've got this all figured out, I think. Every button has been pushed to where I just go ahead and push my buttons here, and then I can chat through you through YouTube. Thank you. I see a comment from Tony on YouTube. I used to not be able to see all this in one spot. So good morning. How you doing? Hi, John Lee. Everybody's doing great. John, Tony, you guys related? I don't know. All right, so Natchitoches, it looks pretty decent right now. No fog out there. Let's go to Toledo Bend. Hey, yeah, it's foggy out there. We have a big problem there with the fog over the lake this morning as that very warm, humid air is flowing over the cooler waters here in Alexandria. Not that bad. We still have a dense fog advisory in place, but as you can see here on radar here, not much going on the rainfall. Looks like we're not going to see much today and tomorrow, but there could be a little bit. This goes away at 10 o'clock, so you can see here that dense fog advisory is going to go away. It's still real foggy near the lake, though, as you saw there, so no advisory, but definitely some fog out there. 69 degrees temperature out at the airport at 9:26 a.m. My goodness, it's warm. 70 in Leesville, and the wind speeds today going to be pretty light. It looks like light southerly winds. I know not a lot of hunting going on right now. I guess deer season, from what I hear, is over. See, I'm not a big hunter. I'm a fisher, but I know we're still going to keep this wind forecast in there for you. Also, see that logo down in the lower left corner? That's Cole over at Mountain Man Tree Service. I had him come out and quote me on a tree yesterday. I wanted to get ahead of all of you before you call him and make him too busy. So he said he's gotten several calls. So thank you guys for continuing to support our sponsors. Temperatures today, mid to upper 70s, partly cloudy, mostly cloudy skies. I think we get a few showers. And we actually have a severe risk on the map here. So severe risk showing up for tomorrow, not for us, but North Mississippi. If you're headed toward Memphis or Tupelo and you're going up toward Nashville or Lawrenceburg, Tennessee, you might run into a storm there with a marginal risk for severe. Now, for us, for today into the next couple of days, you can see we actually do have a little bit of rain on the radar. And I mean, I can't rule out a storm. I don't think it's going to be anything crazy. We're not going to see a severe threat out of this, but a 10% coverage on these showers. It's almost like a summertime look to it because it's so warm and humid here. Just some showers kind of bubbling up during the day and doing it again tomorrow, about a 10% coverage. So you might run into a brief heavy shower today, but that's about it. It would last a few minutes and be gone. So looking further into the future, GFS model shows that we have not much going on over the next several days. There's your storms up toward Nashville for tomorrow. So again, traveling to the northeast, you could run into that issue. Then we start to get a little more unsettled as a cold front heads down this way. I think we'll see some showers and storms ahead of that, especially as we get into early next week. And then it looks like we get some potential for heavy rain possibly later into the week beyond this forecast period right here. And what would happen there is this would be on the cold side of things. No, I don't think it's cold enough for snow or ice or anything, but if we're on the cold side, that means the threat for severe weather is going to be low or non-existent. So good news there. It is going to rain a little bit over the next couple of days, but you can see here for the next week, no big worries, and your 7-day shows that we're covering our bases here, 10% Tuesday and Wednesday. We can't say it won't rain, so we're putting a low rain chance in there. And then for early next week, late into the weekend, it looks like at least some scattered showers and storms are possible. That cool air is going to make inroads into the deep south, I think, by the time we get into the middle of the month. I'm not seeing this as an overly crazy cold blast here, but we'll keep an eye on things, see how much of that chunk of cold from the north comes down, and it's going to stay wet. So while it's cold or cooler, I shouldn't say cold, it's not going to be crazy, crazy cold, but at that same time, we'll have some rainfall in the area. So showers, maybe some thunderstorms. I don't see a real threat for anything frozen or freezing right now, but that's all we got going right now. Good morning. Concrete is all wet and slippery. Yeah, be careful on those garages with the smooth kind of concrete floor. It's one of those mornings where someone's going to fall and bust their butt. All right, I'm going to get out of here. Very proud and pleased of everything we had. This all worked. It looks like day 3 is the day. Or is this day 3? Day 4-ish, whatever. It looks like we've got it figured out now. And that's quicker than I usually catch on. I will see you back here tomorrow. Have a wonderful Tuesday. See ya.